How to remove bad videos on Facebook feed. So if you want to remove bad videos on Facebook feed, or if you want to stop the bad videos on your Facebook, then first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you just need simply open up your Facebook, make sure that you've logged in. Now go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. And from here, you need to scroll down, go with settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, tap on settings. Under settings, now here under preferences, you will have either newsfeed or content preferences. So tap on newsfeed or content preferences. And from here, you need to go with the reduce option. You can tap on manage defaults or reduce. And here you need to go with sensitive content and tap on show less. Or you will also have don't show. You can go with don't show or show less. And after that, it will remove all of the bad videos on your Facebook feed. Make sure to save that setting. And that's it. That's how you can remove. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.